AI is no longer an emerging technology, it's a boardroom priority. Every week brings new models, new platforms, new capabilities. And yet, most enterprise AI initiatives never get past a proof of concept or a pilot that never scales. After 2 decades leading transformation programs, I keep seeing the same pattern behind that gap. This is Executive Insights, Episode 4. Across dozens of programs, I keep seeing the same 5 failure patterns repeat. AI without a real business strategy behind it, weak data foundations that no model can compensate for, enterprise architecture treated as optional so pilots never scale, governance bolted on at the end instead of built in from day one. And maybe the biggest one, leadership treating AI as an IT project instead of owning it as a business transformation. Every one of these is fixable, but only if you see them before you've already spent the budget. The question everyone's asking is, can AI work? That's not really the interesting question anymore. Of course, it can. The better question is, why do some organizations successfully scale enterprise AI while others stay stuck in experimentation, no matter how much they invest? And here's what surprised me most across every program I've been part of. Most AI projects don't fail because someone picked the wrong language model. They fail because the organization underneath the technology isn't mature enough to support it. I think of this as the enterprise AI iceberg. Above the surface is everything that gets the attention: Chat GPT, Copilot, AI agents, the latest language models. That's what executives see, what gets demoed, what makes headlines. But that's genuinely the smaller part. Below the waterline sits everything that actually determines whether AI succeeds: business strategy, executive sponsorship, enterprise architecture, trusted data, governance, and culture. Technology attracts attention. Foundations create the business value. In my experience, organizations move through 4 fairly predictable stages: experimenting, isolated pilots, people trying ChatGPT on their own. Operational is real governance and reusable components start appearing, scaling, proper enterprise AI platforms and standard operating models, and transforming, AI genuinely embedded into business strategy itself. Most organizations I meet are still stuck between the first two. So, before approving the next AI investment, here are the questions I'd actually want answered. What business outcome are we trying to improve? Is our data genuinely ready for this? Can our architecture support it at enterprise scale? Is governance built in from day one, not bolted on later? And critically, who on the leadership team actually owns this outcome? Those 5 questions usually tell you more than any vendor pitch will. Organizations that scale AI successfully don't skip steps. It typically looks like this: start with business strategy, build on solid enterprise systems, connect everything through a real integration layer, get to a genuinely trusted data platform. Only then build the enterprise AI platform itself, and finally, the business AI products people actually use. Skip a layer to move faster, and you're usually just building technical debt you'll pay for later with interest. New models will keep appearing every month, new tools will keep making headlines, but the foundations of successful enterprise AI stay remarkably consistent: clear strategy, trusted data, scalable architecture, real governance, and leadership that actually owns it. Technology will keep evolving. These principles rarely do. The organizations that recognize this distinction won't simply adopt AI, they'll build sustainable competitive advantage through it. I go through the complete maturity model, the full executive checklist, and real examples of each failure pattern in the article, link in the description. If this was useful, like, subscribe for the next episode, and share it with a leader making AI investment decisions right now.